Okay, so here's our foldable keypad. Notice how it's got this nice rubber thing. It keeps it from sliding. This side folds up too, right? Right there is a USB-C that's plugged into a block over here. I could just unplug that right now, and we'll move that out of the way for now. All right, so before you do anything, you're going to open this up, and you're going to look right down there. You see it says off and on. We got to turn it on. So once we turn it on, we're ready to go. But I want to show you these keys. This is the FN key. This is the pairing key here, okay? So there's a, let's just go ahead and first, let's go in here. Let's open up Bluetooth. Let's turn Bluetooth on, all right? So now we got our Bluetooth on. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is you turn on the power, which we did, right? Bam, that's done. The next thing is you're gonna press FN, and then you're gonna press 1, 2, 3. So we're gonna press FN right here. Then we're gonna go up here, 1, 2, 3, okay? Next, you're gonna press FN and pairing at the same time. And you should see a blue blinking light on that one on the right-hand corner. Then if you look on your iPad, you should see the keyboard show up on your Bluetooth. It's trying to get on there. It's spinning. I wonder if I just touch it like that, if that'll help. Oh, look at that. It did help. It's connected. Check it out. We're in. All right, great. Let's get out of there. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.